this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook username. So to change your Facebook username, it is pretty much easy. Just go ahead and tap on your profile picture here, and then this will take you to the menu. Then under here, look for settings gear and then tap on it. And then under account center, look for the option called personal details. Then if you have more than one account, you'll have to choose the account that you want to change. So I'll tap on this and then proceed again with it. And now here we have to change the username. So you can either change the name. As you can see, my name is here, but I don't want to change the name. Rather, I want to change the username. To change the username, just tap on the username. And you're told here that changing username will also change your Facebook profile URL. And that's something that you have to know. So go ahead and enter your username as you wish. For instance, I'll enter like that. And if your name is available, you'll see a tick here, and then you'll be able to proceed by just tapping on done. As you can see, mine is not currently available. So that's how you change your username on your Facebook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.